Hello everyone, I'm back. Got a 2013 Hyndai Sonata. I took it to the dealer to get some work done, and when I got it back they told me that my sensor went bad. They didn't want to fix it and they wanted to charge me I think 275 bucks for it. So I decided to do it myself. Went on Amazon, got the part. It's right over here. We got a Focus Holstein ABS sensor. So there it is right there. There's the new sensor. Gonna be putting it in. Should be pretty quick. It took me a little while to figure out where the wire for the sensor is coming into the car. I thought it was in the trunk, but it's actually not in the trunk. I'll show you where that's at. But anyways, here's all you need. You need there's a socket right here. This is a 12 millimeter. So this bolt right here comes out. I already broke everything loose to make this go a lot quicker. I don't have that much time today. So you got that one. You got one for the actual, let me see if I can give you a shot of the sensor. It's right there. I got my socket already on it. It's right there, and it's a 10, so it's already all broke loose. So this one's a 10, and then there's two bolts right here, and they hold a bracket. I'm going to show you this bracket right here. Those two bolts need to come off, not all the way out. That bracket's gonna go right there, and they are a 14. And like I said, you get right on the other side of this metal bar, and they're right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and then put the new one in, and show you that. And then let me show you where it plugs in. So if you follow the wire, goes up, 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 comes in right in here, in this little hole. It's got a little gasket on it to keep water and shit out of there. And then on the inside of the car, on the right side, comes in right here. So there's the hole that I was showing you outside, and it plugs in right there. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the repair and see how it turns out. Thanks. Alright guys, I'm back. Put the new sensor on. Alright, so there's the new wire for the sensor. This is the 10 millimeter, I believe. Then I reattached the two, it's kind of hard to see, the two 14s. They're right here, the two bolts, two 14s. And this one right here, new sensor, is the 12. And then you run this in the car. Let me come inside. And then you plug it in right here. And there's one more thing I forgot to mention. There's this plastic cover right here. Right here. Sorry, I'm doing this one hand. That's kind of tough. Plastic cover right here. And here's this one. I had to take it off to get to the sensor that is hidden. And I got it plugged in, and that's it. Like I said, it was a $50 part on Amazon. It took me longer than it should have because I was doing this video, but probably about a half hour worth of work. Jack the car up, be safe about it. I'm not responsible for you. And that's it. 275 bucks, more like 50 bucks. Anybody can do this, pretty easy. All right, have a good day. See ya.